y'all, I just took this out of the microwave. I did it for 36 minutes first and then another 9 because this is a pretty big chicken. Look at the steam just rolling off of it. I'm gonna close it back and let it rest for about let's see, about 22 minutes, and then I'll make another video to show y'all what it looks like. But it looks pretty delicious to me.